It's unlit. I want to try a little bit of a cracked effect, so I'm just going to do it on a small piece of superwood. I struggled to get it here in South Africa, so what I found is this Heritage Quick Crack and the Dollar Crazy Crack. So I'm going to try half and see which one works the best. I found it, I'm in South Africa, so I don't know if you will find this in your country. If it works, we will see, but let's give it a go. I'm just going to use a little bit of my inks. You can use watered down acrylics, and I'm going to put a little bit of water onto this, because this you apparently put on top of your you put it on top of a darker background or a lighter background or whatever you want to do there. Dry now, so I divided it. I'm going to put the Heritage on this side, and I'm going to put the Dollar Crazy Cracks on this side. They look a lot the same to me. I'm not sure you can see there, but let's do it and then we'll see. So on this side is the Heritage. So I'm just gonna, they say the thicker you put it on, the more your cracks will now I'm confusing myself. The more the cracks will be bigger and so on. The thinner you put it on, the more finer cracks it will be. And actually they both say you can use a craft paint underneath and on top, but I used my inks. I want to see how it works with my inks and stuff, because I'm not really into craft paints. So okay, I've put it, I think, fairly thick on. I'm going to move to that one now. At the moment this one is more convenient because you can sort of put it on out of the bottle, and then I'm just going to smooth it down. This one is a little bit thicker as that one. That one works a lot easier, the Heritage, I must say. Just lift this up. Okay, I've also put on a nice thick coat. So now that we must leave this to dry, and when it's totally dry, I'm going to come and put another coat on top of this. So see you when this is dry. Okay, this is dry now. So I'm taking a little bit of my white acrylic ink with just a dab of my burnt sienna. Just want to break the white a little bit. And I'm going to try and do this with one sweep. Apparently you can't go over and over, as I understand. So you must put it down and try and take it with one sweep across. We just get a little bit of more white. Okay, cool. I wondered if you can use ink with it, and I see that one is already starting to crack, so I'm very excited. I'm not sure which one it is. I will have a look when I'm finished with this one. This one is also starting to crack. I hope you can see that. Very nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. It's not very big cracks. I would have preferred it to be a little bit bigger. Maybe I must put it thicker on. I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna leave it for a moment to develop, and then I'll come back and I'll show you in 5 minutes time. Okay, it's about 5 minutes. It can maybe still develop a little bit. I'm not sure. But the Heritage is the one that I think I will use. So for the sapphires out there, I don't know what is in the other countries. I know Golden's got a beautiful crack texture one, but I have, you know, it's difficult to get that. So this one on top is the Crazy Cracks from Dala, and then this one at the bottom, so it depends on what you like. This one on the bottom is the Heritage Quick Crack. They are both, you can buy them both in South Africa. I think this one you can get at P&A, I'm not sure. I think the Heritage as well. I can't remember where I bought it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell, and I will give you another lot of videos that you can look forward to. I try to show as much as that I can about techniques and all that stuff. And have a lovely day. See you next time.